cannot break the 100, you have fast reversal and you go back into 92. I don't say exactly 100, but it might be, let's say, 99,700, 99,400, maybe even 98, close to that, because as everybody will be watching the 100,000, they'll be thinking, okay, I'm going to take profit at 100,000, see if they cannot break it. At least short term, right? You might have a pullback and then prices still go above 100. But if they cannot make it on the first attempt, break 100, they might be having a nice pullback. I gave you a couple examples of psychological levels. I can also give you some more examples. I always mention during our session psychology of number 5. If stock breaks 5 and makes new high, usually it goes to 7 very fast. You cannot find this in the book, but I witnessed that. I've traded those 5 to 7 or 50 to 70. Or I remember I shorted one stock which went from 17 into 49. I shorted 47, and I see that stock is going up. I get out of that. Once it broke 50, it went 2 minutes into 70. 2 minutes, and it dropped to 60. I shorted again, closed at 35. So you see, those are the real stories. So I believe in the numbers, the magic of numbers, and those are become self-fulfilling prophecies in subconscious mind of traders. Or if everybody thinks going to sell at 100,000, eventually the price gonna get there gradually. So it doesn't look like it's a sell right now. Actually, last week we were talking buy the dip, 85, 88. They dipped fast and the market recovered. Right now it's above 91. And regarding Putin and Kamala, I think that this is a closed chapter. Kamala is the she didn't win. That's it. Now we got a new we have a new chapter. What was exactly the question? Is it gonna be regarding Bitcoin? Trump is good for Bitcoin, right? You saw Trump with Musk at the recent event to this Stan saw, right? So Bitcoin is just continue going up. Mega is asking about the war. Share insights to the war happening. Actually, you saw recent news. The comments from Putin or from some Russian officials. The Biden is finishing his chapter as Biden's administration as a Bloody Joe or something like that, because he allowed those long range rockets from the United States to be used in Ukraine. So this is the last chapter of Democrats allowing those rockets to be used by Ukrainians. This is the latest news, I think. But how about the Russia-Ukraine in the view of Trump? What do you think?
The latest information that I was checking was some time ago that Elon Musk and Trump, Elon Musk have joined Trump in a call with Vladimir Putin and have been discussing the Russia-Ukraine thing. I think it's gone. I think it's within 6 months it's gonna be in history already, and Russia is most likely going to take the territories that they have been fighting for, and they're going to be peaceful. Um, they're going to be peaceful agreement. Trump is not going to give money to Zelensky. He is not going to give him money. He said that multiple times. It was one of the reasons he got so he got the popular vote as well in the USA, because um, by the time Zelensky was in the States, we had the recent hurricanes there, and the government was not supporting the people. But at the same time, Zelensky came and took like 80 million um, in support, and I think this was one of, or the last one that he is going to get anyway. I think in terms of war, you will be having a resolution very soon when it comes to um, Russia-Ukraine conflict. And we have more comments in the chat. Um,
Yeah, how
Even
you
Tesla
see
went
oil
up
and gold?
ever.
Profit is asking. Also, profit. Yeah, exactly. This
Before that, we
information
have a
I was.
before that we have a Tesla comment from Mega.
Yeah, Tesla. We're
So
gonna have a
maybe
look at
let's skip.
Tesla, and also profit is just quote just talking about those missiles. Yeah, exactly. I also saw that. So profit just confirming this. U.S. supplied long-range missiles, including ATACMS MS against Russian territory. Right. So this is the Bloody Joe, or the Bloody Joe. They called Biden administration Bloody Joe, finishing the chapter allowing those missiles to be used. So what's gonna be on social media? Donald Trump Jr., the Trump Jr., son of Trump, also last week it was, I think, posted something like dollars falling from the sky and say you got 38 days to Zelensky, uh, and then the welfare will be over, right? So the son of Trump is showing those signals that they might be cutting out this help from United States. So is it gonna be that Ukraine gonna lose the war, or maybe they have some kind of negotiation with Putin? I mean, Trump would influence Putin to do something. What do you think? What's gonna be outcome, and how it's gonna affect markets? Is gold gonna go down if there is a
No,
cease?
no, it will have no effect. It will have absolutely no effect. It was not even a question that is going to escalate through Europe and Europe to get involved and NATO, etc. I think it will be resolved uh, soon. It will have no effect on the market. You're not going to build Nord Stream, or you're not going to regain the um, the supply chains that have been destroyed, and all the businesses that have been destroyed. No, this is in the past. This is in history. At least the Europe Russia relationship, because Europe